Okay, what are we doing, Bee? We're gonna find some buddies for Buzz?
Yes.
Buzz Lightyear?
Yes.
What's his name?
Buzz Lightyear.
Buzz Lightyear. And what does he fly in?
Airplane.
In his spaceship. And where does he drive his spaceship to?
Spaceship.
Outer space?
Outer space on the ground.
Yeah, he drives his spaceship. And so what are we doing now? We're looking to find him some buddies
Yes.
to ride in the spaceship with him. Here's a spaceship over here.
Sure.
But where's Buzz? I don't see Buzz.
There.
Is Buzz going to drive the spaceship?
Yeah, the outside.
Is that where's the driver's seat?
Right here.
Oh.
Two.
And he's going to go to outer space. So we're looking for some friends for him.
Grandma, two persons in the back.
2 persons in the back and 2 persons in the front, or just 1 person in the front?
2 persons front, 2 persons in the back.
Oh. And they're going to go to outer space.
Grandma, let me tell you something.
Tell me something.
2 persons in the back, 2 persons in front.
I see.
It's good. That makes me happy.
Yeah, did you find the choo-choo people?
Nope, not yet.
So we're looking for the choo-choo people because we think that they'll fit in the spaceship real good. So we're going to go do that. So right now we're going to say bye for now. You look at the camera and say bye for now?
Bye now.
You have to look at the camera and say it though.
Bye now.
Bye for now.